Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk about how AI change UX design jobs. So with everyone talking about ChatGPT, generative AI, this question came up so often that will AI replace my job? So let's talk about it. Before I jump in, just a quick reminder, I share everything about UX and career growth on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested on this type of content, please feel free to subscribe so you won't miss any of my future content. What does AI means for future? How would it change our life? How would it impact the job market? How would AI change UX designers' job? Will it replace UX design jobs? I can't stop thinking about those questions, so I thought I would ask generative AI, what kind of job will not be replaced by AI? And this is what I get. Let's take a look. AI is advancing rapidly, and many jobs that were once thought to be safe are now at risk. However, there are certain types of jobs that are less likely to be automated in the near future. Number one, jobs that require creativity and innovation. Number two, jobs that require social skills and emotional intelligence. Number three, jobs that require physical dexterity and flexibility. And number four, jobs that require strategic thinking and decision making. And last, jobs that require a high level of specialization. I have to say that I feel better after seeing the answer from ChatGPT because it really gives me an even stronger sense of confidence that I do not think UX design jobs will be replaced by AI. Why? A couple of reasons. Number one, jobs require creativity and innovation is less likely to be replaced by AI. And UX is a job that always requires the emphasis of users to be able to understand what is the user problem, and with that user-centered thinking to apply your creativity there. And there's always going to be constraints, from technical constraints to business constraints. Think out of the box and use your creativity to find a path to solve the problem. The user-centered thinking and creativity is a key part of UX designers' core competency. Number two, I think as a UX designer, especially as you grow in your career, your social skills and especially your business acumen will become more and more important. And you will be required to work with cross-functional partners like product manager, engineer, to solve complex problems together. When there are like 50 features people have on their mind and want to build, how do you prioritize? And how to develop like a short-term versus long-term strategy. And all those kind of collaboration will require a very strong social skills and soft skills to be able to work with ambiguity, to be able to collaborate with people at different job functions and think from their angle. And especially I think for a lot of UX design jobs, you will face this similar common challenge, is how to find that sweet spot or balance between user problems and business goals. So I think this kind of soft skills and complexity involved in a job function makes it very unique and less likely to be replaced by AI. So last, I think critical thinking or strategic thinking will become even more and more valuable. AI is good at processing large amounts of data and making predictions based on that data, but it's not yet capable of making complex strategic decisions. For example, how might we make an online grocery shopping easier? What is that typical user journey? What are the current user pain points? How do we address them and make the experience better? With the limited amount of engineer resource, what are the top priorities that we should implement in the next 3 to 6 months versus what might be some valuable features yet not super urgent that we should consider in the next quarter or next year? And when you are facing different conflicting goals, for example, when user interests and business goals are in conflict, how to find a good balance? So when it comes to those kind of complex problem solving, it makes UX design jobs even more valuable in the new era with AI and the new technologies. So strategic thinking is another reason that makes me think UX design is a job that will not be replaced by AI. So to dive even deeper into the question, will AI replace UX design jobs? I turn to ChatGPT again and ask the question of what kind of people will not be replaced by AI? And this is what we got. So it talked about people with creativity and originality, people with social skills and emotional intelligence, people with adaptability and flexibility, people with specialized knowledge and expertise, people with leadership and decision-making skills. Overall, the answer seems quite in line with the first question that I asked of what kind of jobs will not be replaced. But I think this gives us even more insights beyond the job type, but more on the qualities that will become even more valuable with the evolving technology of AI. For example, we talked about that AI is good at performing specific tasks within a predefined scope, but it is not yet capable of adapting to new situations and contexts. So people who are able to adapt quickly to changing circumstances and think on their feet, such as entrepreneurs, are less likely to be replaced by AI. So overall, this has actually further confirmed my belief that UX design job will not be replaced by AI. On the other hand, I actually think UX design will become an even more valuable and popular job with the constantly emerging the AI technologies. That's all we have for today. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to share with me. I would love to hear from you. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.